Run, run, run. Oh my god. Rotowaro began as a once small mining township located in the northern area of the North Island of New Zealand. Mining by the Taupiri Coal Company began after a bridge over the Waikato River and railway to the area were constructed in 1915. Upon its opening, the mine instantly saw success, and in 1928 it was producing an average of 11,000 tons of coal every month. Just west of this coal mine, a small community of about 500 houses was built so that miners could live within close proximity to the mine and increase its efficiency. To reduce product waste, a carbonization plant was constructed in the 1930s to convert any unusable or low-quality coal into carbon briquettes. As the mine progressed, the carbonization plant ran smoothly until 1985, when a major fire on the complex caused a retort to explode, releasing mass amounts of hazardous chemicals into the surrounding area. After the incident, the plant's ownership changed hands several times, and with no one willing to do anything about the toxic wasteland that lay on the site, the plant was quickly abandoned. Now it lays completely abandoned, slowly being taken back by nature, a nod to a now forgotten revolutionary mining era. Join us today as we have a look at what was left behind. It's beautiful. The trees, the woods, the path that we're taking to get here. Well, this is where the railway ends and we venture well, we gotta find a way now. Yeah.
As you can see, we're in the middle of the outback.
Take it out! Take it out!
This was supposed to be an urban adventure, but I reckon it's not anymore.
Far from it, in fact. Bear Grylls.
Let's move forward.
They actually are really prickly, so I'm gonna try and just crouch. Ow. Oh, we're headed through. You can try. You can just start to make out the entrance to the mine. I don't know if you guys can see from here. Cheers, team. Okay. Due to the historic nature of this location, the plant was classed as a Category 1 historic place by the Historic Places Trust New Zealand, protecting it from being demolished. Sorry, what was that, Scott?
It's our locker rooms. It's completely flooded though.
Get a nice shot in here. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's worth filming. Yeah, look, you guys can see all the locker rooms. This is room for the employees here at the carbonation factory. Or carbonation plant. Oh yeah, you can see through there. There's like the holes in the wall where it's like less muddy, but yeah, there's really nothing to see in here that you guys can't see from here. But you can see through the roof. It's kind of like an attic. Just the supports of the place. The reflection kind of makes it look eerie. It's just absolutely amazing.
You're gonna wait to take the shot here.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Gotta get up.
Holy, it just keeps going.
Guys, how are we gonna get there though? It's a total swamp right here.
There's one place
left and vantage point there.
yeah, see those places that jut out?
That's your best bet.
Oh, this is so cool. Yeah, see, look, it just keeps on going. Scott, it looks like you're on an old wheel there.
Yeah. Pretty sick.
Trying to get up into the main portion. It's like these old rusted drums.
Oh, okay, we're good.
So Scott's climbing around.
You go so high in this.
Oh, look at this.
Can also get Ethan's
This used to be a huge operation. You can see most of it is submerged underwater, so I don't know how much of it we're gonna actually get to explore. We are up on this main portion here.
Hello, everybody.
Okay, I'm like standing on, I don't even know what this used to be like. Looks like a chute of sorts. Yeah, just lost the time. This is crazy.
You into this?
Oh yeah. Look at the decay.
You guys.
These used to be lockers, or oh, some sort of mechanic. Yep. You guys can see the shelving in here. It's still in good condition. Well, still really cool. Most of this is natural decay. Like, this isn't really vandalized at all. I mean, it was really out of the way. I'm on my way. This is like something out of The Last of Us. During its operation, waste from the plant was discharged directly into local waterways, causing the surrounding area to become heavily polluted. Following complaints about the pollution, Waikato Carbonization Limited trialed a waste incineration program where they would attempt to burn all excess waste, but the output of the plant exceeded the capacity of the burners, so dumping in the local streams continued. This is crazy. Yeah, I don't think we'll be able to explore that because it's like half submerged in water. This little wood burning oven had a chute that would have fed up to the top. This place is just surreal. It's like a walk back in time. Yeah.
I'm thinking for this, since it's so corroded, we'll grab 2 sheets of these, lay it down, walk across, stop, pick up the other one, lay it down. See what I'm saying?
Here, Scott.
Oh, this is so sharp. Watch your hands, man. I swear I played Call of Duty here before.
Alright.
Guys, keep on holding on to the slides and stuff.
Yep.
We don't want to get into these burners.
Look at, you can see the growth. It was actually one of the first plants to start using a technique called the Lurgy process to process the carbonite briquettes. I believe it was actually the first in the southern hemisphere, so this was pretty revolutionary for New Zealand and for its time, actually. The Lurgy Rugas process is a method of above-ground coal liquefaction, where low-quality coal is fed into a retort heated with char particles and then condensed with tar into carbon briquettes, which could then be used for domestic heating. Yeah. It's like a steampunk dream. Looks... Although it looks a bit treacherous, I'm going to try and see if I can just get a shot of this room. Stick to it. Yeah.
Yep.
We're here, Ethan.
I can guarantee people are not looking up here.
Yeah. Look at that old wooden bench, or workbench right beside you there, Scott.
That's sick, eh? Some wires left.
Oh yeah. I don't know the exact cause of why this is abandoned yet, but I'll research it later. I'm fascinated to figure out why they left a place like this. You can see the soot along all the walls here.
It looks like they built it in the marsh. So.
Yeah, that could be a factor. Can't really hold my camera out enough. Yeah, you like this? These look like hoppers here. Some sort of valves. See, they're so rusted.
But if we take the stairs, it's a lot safer.
Oh my god, you get such a good view of the plant from here.
That's what we got up here on the 2 floors.
Oh my god. Look at this. We're heading up. Oh yeah, it's just up here and then we're covered. Oh my god. This is the brick walling here. The plant's official closure and abandonment came in 1987, and an environmental evaluation of the site was conducted later in 1990. The evaluation showed that the degree of contamination was at extremely hazardous levels. This raised concerns for the health of the workers at the active mine close by, and a cleanup was proposed and carried out by Environment Waikato Group, removing all chemicals that posed a risk to human health or the environment. Going up, Scott?
Going up.
Just coming up these last couple steps.
Take your time with filming this one. This will be our last level, I guess. I guess we can go up that.
There's a catwalk up here we can get on.
This is your time to shine.
Okay.
Unless there's some other really cool places we can go to.
Yeah, we'll check it.
I'll be on the lookout. Give me some time though to come back.
The moss growing on even the uppermost floor.
Well, these are the ovens down here.
Yeah.
Steam would come up.
Where they would make the carbonite bricks.
To the left is sick. How visible are you to?
As demand for coal increased throughout the 1980s, the houses for the mining settlement were completely demolished to make way for the mine's expansion into a large open-cast mine. Yeah, look at the scoops. Running along the rooftop here.
Look through that door right there.
The scoops would run up here, scooping the coal along here, and then it would probably dump into these vats that you see Scott walking along here. Thoughts on this place, Ethan?
Spectacular.
This is definitely in my top 5 explorers.
That's definitely my number. Of the many I've done.
Well, he's done the church, which you guys can watch that video. I'll leave a link in the description.
Something obviously went along the side here.
Yeah, I know. It runs all the way along. See that beam, and then it swoops around here. Well, looks like maybe, cause see, look, there's the mechanical right here for it. Oh, I think I know what it is. I think it looks like a hopper. That part right there looks like a hopper that the scoops would have dumped their coal into, and then it would have fed into these ovens. You can see the walls knocked down on this one here, and you can see the vines and such growing in.
Well, boys.
You can see everything.
Maybe we'll look out up here, right?
Just look at this, Ethan. This is fantastic. Okay, so we probably won't be able to get into any other buildings as the complex does seem flooded. So I'll do a quick zoom in on each building. This one looks a little bit more wooded, and it looks like there's a track running up to the very top of it. And then a walkway underneath and along the sides. You can see where the angles are. That would probably be a stairwell up to the top. And then just to the left of it, I don't know if I can zoom in fully, but you can see some sort of structure. It almost looks like train cars to hold things. Then on this side here, you have that smaller hut, which just looks like a general building. You have those two, looks like almost water treatment bins here, probably for treating the coal. You have this building with some very interesting cylinders. Can't really see the other side, but yeah. Then you have these two kind of silo ramps leading over to this, one of the main buildings. I'm just kind of describing the structures. I'm not 100% sure what they're used for, but it looks like it feeds up into this rusted red building. That says 1959 right there. This is old. Yeah. Okay. You can see the scoops here. There's some mold or some moss have been growing in the scoops. I'm gonna see if I can poke my camera down the scoops so you can see it. One of them's overturned, so. Yeah, so I'm standing on the tops of the bins here. As you can see, they still move a little bit, which is really cool. Heck yeah. Look at this factory, guys. I mean, this is a little bit of a sketchy walk, but it's okay. This is the sheltered portion here where it's a little bit more intact.
Alright, Evo, this was 100% for you.
Thank you guys, but it wasn't worth it.
Hey, I trucked through those bushes for 2 hours for you, buddy. And it was worth it. It was worth it.
That's actually pretty cool too in the far.
Oh yeah.
Like that little hut to the side of that building. That whole building actually is pretty interesting.
If we could keep your hands on something.
It's time to head back down.
Yeah, you gotta go around, buddy. Yeah.
The boys made it.
Just have some cameras.
Thank you guys so much for watching. That was our abandoned mine settlement and carbonization plant video. If you guys did enjoy, please again, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. We have just hit 10K subscribers and we thank you guys so much for that. We really do appreciate all of your guys' support. And the idea has been thrown around of a 10K subscriber live stream Q&A. If that's something you guys would be interested in, if that's something you guys would watch, we want to hear it. Let us know in the comments section below that if you would tune in to watch us. Thank you guys so much for watching and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.